Hello everyone, how you all doing? In this video we are going to talk about my favorite software. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, yet again today we are talking about Tenorshare Reboot. I have talked about this software a lot of times on my channel and you all are aware about it because it is just one spectacular software. You have loved it, I have loved it. So let's dive in today's video and talk about Tenorshare Reboot and why you should get this software right now, because it is just a whole another level. After getting updates and all refinements, this software is now the best and it just does not get anything better from now. Installing it, link is in the description, and thank you so much Tenorshare first of all for sponsoring this video. My name is Jay, you are watching Tech Hype. Let's get right into today's video. A lot of you guys have been facing a lot of problems on your iPhone related to your iPhone shutting down and entering recovery mode, exiting recovery mode, and there are a lot of iOS related queries that from day to day you guys just keep on sending me DMs that hey Jay, my phone is doing this, my phone is acting so bad, what should I do, how do I troubleshoot this problem, and all of those I reply to with just a simple answer: install Tenorshare Reboot, because it is that easy. It just troubleshoots 99% of the problems that occur on your iPhones day to day. Now, as you are aware about me and my channel, a lot of you guys also are into iOS betas and you guys just keep on installing betas on your iPhone day to day. Installing betas is good and all, but we have to downgrade time to time because betas are not the best place to be on all the time. There is what just Tenorshare Reboot comes in handy for me. I just use it all the time to downgrade my iOS versions. I used to use it a lot on my Windows device. I have been using it less on my Mac, but I got to know that it is even better on Mac. So it is available on both Windows and MacBook. For all of those guys asking me that I have a Mac, can I get it, and I have a Windows, can I get it? It is available on both of the platforms, and you can see here you can just downgrade your iOS version by clicking here, and after clicking here there are two versions. There is one standard repair and there is other deep repair. So standard repair is basically used to downgrade your iOS and it just keeps your data in place. Like other software, what they do is they downgrade your device but they sacrifice your data. And then deep repair is something, as it says with the name, it will erase all the data. This is just in case when you are having some big issues on your device. For example, your device is bricked or something, then you should use deep repair. And what this will do is, clicking on deep repair, you will have to first of all connect your device and it will take it to the recovery mode, and then it will erase all your data, but at least you will have your device back running normal. Now, after connecting your device with a USB-C to lightning cable or any cable to your laptop or your MacBook, you have to go here and now you will be able to deep repair or standard repair your device. Clicking here, it will find the version for your device. For example, here you can see it just says no downgrade iOS firmware found. That is because I am not on a beta version. As you can see here, I'm on iOS 16.2. If I was on a beta version, it would have suggested me to download iOS 16.2. And still, if you guys do face any issues here, what you can do is just go to the IPSW files website. You can download it manually, and then from here you can change the path and you can just add that firmware here, and that's pretty much it. Mostly it will do the great job for you and you just don't have to do anything. You just have to press some buttons and that's pretty much it. You have to click on download, and after doing that it will do its thing automatically. You just have to wait and it will do it for you. You don't have to do anything. It is that easy. And the user interface of Tenorshare is, of course, you guys know, it is one of the best user interface I have been on. Clicking on enter recovery mode. Recovery mode is just one of the things that is the most irritating for me. I just really hate entering recovery mode because you just have to press the buttons and play with the buttons, and that is not something I like, and I'm pretty sure you guys don't like it either. And as you can see, it has entered the recovery mode already. I just clicked on the enter recovery mode and it was that easy. It just did it in few seconds. Now you can just play with it, and as you can see here, you can update your device here and you can restore it. It is asking me to restore my device, and in order to exit the recovery mode, you can just easily click here and that's pretty much it. Your device has exited the recovery mode. It is that simple. Exactly. When I said that it is one of the most value for money software, it is legit one of the most value based and value for money software you could purchase to this day for your iOS device. And the fun part is that it is not that expensive at all. The link is in the description. You can click the link and download the software on your device. And did I forget, if your device is lagging or it is having some issues, what you can do is just click here, click on start, and then click on standard or deep repair. As you can see here, now it shows me firmware is ready to download. You can reinstall the iOS 16.2 version, and after doing this, as you can see on the screen, it will be installing the version of iOS 16.2 again on my device. For some reason it was not showing up earlier, and if you just face that, that means there is some issue in your device. You can just enter the recovery mode, and then you can exit the recovery mode, and you can see that it just works flawlessly now. What you can do is just wait, and it will just do everything automatically. And what it will do is it will remove the unresponsiveness. It will remove the best part. What I like about this software is, yes, ladies and gentlemen, when it reinstalls the iOS version, if you are low on storage, it will also remove some cache from your device. Now, that is one of the things that I am a big fan of. Removing cache from the device is probably one of the best time pass things that I do in my life. And I just really love how it just does all for you. It just removes all the things that you want, all the bugs and everything, and makes your device fast and just so much better compared to how it was earlier. I just keep on doing this in every 6 to 7 months, and I just really love it so much. By the time this thing is doing its thing, it is at 25% already, and I'm surprised how fast it is. It obviously depends a lot on your internet speed, but in general the server speed of Tenorshare and everything is just so damn quick. It is almost N26 as we talk. Let me talk about the situation where this thing and this software can get handy for you guys. One of the most bugs and glitches that occur on your device is your device stuck at Apple logo. Now, this thing has happened to me a lot of times. I'm telling you, this is my personal experience. I have a lot of devices stuck on Apple logo, and I have a lot of my friends and a lot of my viewers DMing me that they have their device stuck on the Apple logo screen. This Tenorshare software fixes that too. There are over 150 problems that can be resolved using this single software, and it is just pleasure to use this software just for the sake of the user interface. Now, a user interface of not a lot of softwares is that simplistic and user friendly. This is just so much more user friendly, and I'm not just saying it for the sake of saying it. I just mean it because I have used a lot. When I say a lot of softwares, I mean it. I have used a ton of softwares. A ton of companies have sponsored me, or softwares I have used it personally, not the sponsored one, but I have bought some softwares and used it personally too, and none of them are just close to the user interface of Tenorshare. The usability is something that matters the most when it comes to these kind of software, and it being simple for pretty much everyone, because iPhones are something, and the bugs on iPhone is something that can occur anytime and to anyone. Probably your grandpa or grandma can have some bugs and stuck on Apple logo bugs on their device. All you can do is just go to your grandpa and give them your laptop and just ask them to connect it, and just simply press 2-3 buttons and it will do everything for you. Jokes aside, there is even better thing that I have for you guys. What I mean when I say that, stop hesitating for buying this software, because it is already really good and value for money. And not to forget, there is a Christmas special offer for you guys. You can see here, go on their website, link is in the description, and you can see every single software they are offering at an incredible amount of discount. For example, look at this Tenorshare iCare phone, $199 for an year, and it is at just $55.95. Like, that is something which is a bit too crazy. There is a lot of coupon codes and discounts out for you guys. The software we are using is coming at just $45 per month, and that is just incredible by how much value it offers. And when I remember, I also bought Tenorshare, probably, yeah, exactly, it was 1 year ago. I bought Tenorshare Reboot, the exactly same software, and it was not this much cheap. Of course, it was cheap for the value it provides, but not gonna lie, this price, this right here is just incredible what you guys are getting. You guys are lucky. I was not this lucky to save this much money on my purchase of Tenorshare. You can get it, link is in the description. Now, as you can see, it is almost done, and after the process is done, you will see that your device will reboot and you will have that new software installed on your device, which is probably, in this case, it is the same iOS 16.2. It will be installed on your device and it will fix all your issues that you are having on your device. You will see this screen on your software, and you have to click on start standard repair, and after doing it, it will show this screen, standard repair is in process. Now, as you can see, the process has officially begin, and when this process will end, we will have our device running amazing and fast AF. After this process will be done, I will be get back to you guys and show you that how much more responsive my device is. And the most important part and the best part that I love about it is it removing the cache and reinstalling the iOS version, which means just in general your device is just freshen up, and this is something you should probably do in every 6 to 7 months on your device. The repair is finally finished, and after the repair is finished, you can see you will greeted with the screen. That's pretty much it. And now let me talk about the storage. We had 9.35 GB storage before, and after installing this, let's check the storage now. And as you can see, we have more than 10.5 GB. We have freed up more than 1.5 gigabytes easily, and that is a big thing. This is the thing which I like a lot about it. And when it deletes caches and frees storage on your device, that automatically means that your device will feel even more faster and responsive. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. If you did watch this video till the end, like this video, subscribe to this channel for more. Link is in the description. Get Tenorshare right now. It is at really great prices right now, so hurry up before the prices change. My name is Jay. You are watching Tech Hype. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe. We are so close to 10k, and I want to get to 10k as soon as we can. Peace out and have a great day, everyone.